Hello and welcome to your 9th Minecraft modding tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be covering adding and removing item stacks from the player's inventory. This could be useful for for the situation that we're going to use it for. When you right click on an item, it will remove an item from the player's inventory, and then also add an item to the player's inventory. So let's get started. First, you need to import something. Put import net.minecraft.client.minecraft. I won't explain this. It basically imports minecraft.java, which we're going to use right now. So we need to create a new Minecraft variable or object. So put Minecraft MC equals modloader.getMinecraftInstance. In Minecraft.java, there's everything. It includes, you can get to the player's inventory, the player, the world, everything like that. It's very useful to have one of these. You'll see how it's used in this tutorial. Oh, and by the way, this is a item file I created, item emerald staff. I also created it in my mod_ file. So I didn't want you guys to have to sit through me creating them. Anyways, let's get to the tutorial. Now we need to create a method called onItemRightClick. So put public item stack onItemRightClick. Jeez, failure at spelling. Anyways, it has to be capitalized exactly like this. Now, for the arguments, put item stack, world, world. Jeez, I am a failure today. Anyways, world, then entity player. Again, make sure they're capitalized exactly like this or it will not work. So add some room inside here, and as you can see, Eclipse is aligning because since this method is of the type item stack, it needs to return an item stack. So what we do now is put return item stack, no capitals. This is the built-in object for this method. As you can see, one of the arguments is item stack. What this is, it's basically nothing. It just returns nothing at all, which is exactly what we want since we'll be doing this ourselves. And it only works, or as far as I can tell, it works if you do it by yourself. If you don't do it by yourself, it does some weird stuff. So now we need to do this. Put mc.theplayer.inventory.add item stack to inventory. What this is it's a Minecraft variable, the player, which is the player. It's like an entity player object. .inventory, the player's inventory, and inventory player object. .item stack or .add item stack to inventory. It adds an item stack to the player's inventory. So now we need to decide what we want to add. So put this new item stack, and inside the parameters put the item or block you want to be returned when you right click on the item. So we'll put mod_emeralds.emerald item, and then the quantity 1. So right now, what this will do is if you right click on an emerald staff, it will add emerald item to your inventory. So this will work and everything, but we want to do one more thing. We want to remove an item from the player's inventory. So this is a similar thing. What we do is put mc.theplayer.inventory. Now we put consume inventory item. What this do is it will remove or consume or delete or whatever you want to call it a certain item from the player's inventory. it scans through all of the slots in your inventory until it finds the item that you specified, then it deletes the whole item stack. It doesn't delete just one item. It deletes the whole stack of items. So if you have 64 of this item, it will still delete it. So now what you do is put the item you want to be consumed, obviously. So put mod underscore emeralds dot emerald staff dot shifted index. Since consume inventory items arguments is an int variable, you need to add the dot shifted index at the end. So right now what this will do is it will consume the inventory item and also add an item stack to your player's inventory. So now we're going to test this in game. See you guys then. So we're here in game, and as you can see, I have my emerald staff that I made. So now we're going to right click on it, and it adds an emerald to your inventory. Pretty cool. As you can see, do it as many times as you want. It'll just keep on adding the stuff. Even if you have a full stack, it'll add to the new stack, like that. So yeah, pretty cool, I think. In the next tutorial, we'll be covering how to change the world time with onItemRightClick. So we'll see you guys then. But for now, I want to add one thing that I probably should have been saying, just to help my channel grow and more people to find these tutorials, because, I don't know, I think they're pretty good. If I had these when I was a newbie, they would have helped a lot. Shameless advertising, but if this helped you, please like the video, and if you want to see more tutorials, please subscribe, because I guarantee you more will be coming out. These are pretty fun to make, and I love helping people, so I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. See ya.